Remember to book my private tours all around Colombia. Today, we're here from Cartagena de Indias, one of my favorite cities of my country, Colombia. Come on, subscribe to my channels and book my private tours. My name is Nacho Melendez, and I am a certified tour guide here in Colombia, so I can take you all places, all around in my beautiful country. Number 2 in biodiversity in the whole planet, so you're gonna enjoy a lot in Colombia. This is Colombian Tours. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Book my private tours. We love you here from Colombia. Enjoy.